Buenos días, amigos. This is your Maestro de Español, Sir Ahmed. Today we are going to learn the verbs apagar and encender. In Spanish, how do we say to switch on, to switch off, to put on, to light? Okay, there are different ways and we can say this in Spanish. The main verbs are apagar, to put out, to extinguish, encender, to switch on, to light. Okay, we have another verb also, prender. Prender can also mean to put on, okay, to switch on, to turn on. So how do we use all these verbs and their conjugation? So these are different ways to say switch on, switch off, put on, put off, turn on, etc. Okay, let's do the conjugations first. The conjugation of apagar, it's a regular verb. Yo apago, tú apagas. Él apaga, ella apaga, usted apaga. Nosotros apagamos. Ellos apagan, ustedes apagan. Once again. Yo apago, tú apagas. Él apaga, ella apaga, usted apaga. Nosotros apagamos, ellos apagan, ustedes apagan. Now the verb encender. Encender is an irregular verb. Listen carefully. Yo enciendo. The CE changes into CIE. Yo enciendo. Okay, I switch on, I light. Tú enciendes. Él enciende, ella enciende, usted enciende. Nosotros encendemos. Nosotros encendemos. Ellos encienden, ustedes encienden. Once again, to recap. Yo enciendo, tú enciendes. Él enciende, ella enciende, usted enciende. Nosotros encendemos. Ellos encienden, ustedes encienden. Okay, it's an ER verb. Okay, the last one, prender. Prender can also mean to switch on, to turn on, to put on. Okay, yo prendo, it's a regular verb. Tú prendes, él prende, ella prende, usted prende. Nosotros prendemos, ellos prenden, ustedes prenden. Yo prendo, tú prendes, él prende, ella prende, usted prende. Nosotros prendemos, ellos prenden, ustedes prenden. Okay, so these were these three verbs. Now how do we use them in sentences? Okay, for example, to put out first, to put off, to switch off. Yo apago la luz antes de dormir. Yo apago la luz antes de dormir. I put out the light before sleeping. Oh, I switch off the light. Yo apago la luz. Apaga la luz, por favor. Order formation. Apaga la luz, por favor. Put out the light, or switch off the light, please. Apagamos la tele a las 10. Apagamos la tele a las 10. We switch off or we put off the TV at 10. Apaga la música, quiero estudiar. Order formation again. Apaga la música, quiero estudiar. Put off the music, okay? Switch off the music, I want to study. So this was to switch off, to put out. Okay, now to light, to switch on, using encender. Okay, enciende la luz, no veo nada. Encender, order formation in the two. Okay, enciende la luz, no veo nada. Okay, switch on the light. Okay, I can't see anything, no veo nada. Enciende la luz. Enciende la estufa. Okay, put on the stove. Okay, light the stove. Enciende la estufa. Okay, now using the verb prender. Prender also means to switch on, to turn on. Prende la televisión. Okay, turn on the television. Okay, so these are the various uses of these verbs: apagar, encender, and prender. Okay, we can even use poner. Poner can also be used to put on, to switch on. Okay, like pon la televisión. Okay, put on the TV. It's the verb poner in order formation in the two formation. Pon la televisión. Pon música, quiero bailar. Pon música, quiero bailar. Okay, put on music, I want to dance. Okay, so these were the verbs apagar, encender, and prender and their uses. I hope you understood the class, my friend. Any comments, any questions, please ask them in the comment section. Any doubts you have, I'll clarify your doubts, I'll answer your questions. Please continue watching my lessons. Please keep learning Spanish with me. Thank you, my friends, for watching my class. I'll see you very soon again in another class. Adios, amigos. Hasta luego.